Welcome to the KeyBank online banking tutorial. In this guide, we'll walk you through the complete range of digital services KeyBank offers. Let's get started. To enroll in KeyBank online banking, visit the KeyBank website and click on Enroll. Follow the prompts to create your online account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Here's where you can view all your accounts at a glance, navigating easily through various sections. Under Accounts, you can view your current balances and transaction histories. This helps you keep track of your finances effortlessly. Need to transfer money between accounts? Navigate to the Transfers section. It's quick and secure with just a few clicks. In the Bill Pay section, you can set up and manage your payments, schedule recurring bills, and ensure you never miss a payment. With the KeyBank mobile app, you have access to on-the-go banking anywhere, anytime. Download it for quick and easy transactions. Security is paramount in online banking. KeyBank offers multiple layers of protection, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and more. For help and assistance, KeyBank customer support is just a call away or accessible through chat on the website. We're here to help you. Thank you for joining us for this KeyBank online banking tutorial. We hope this guide has been informative. Remember to utilize these features for a seamless banking experience.